Hello everyone, my name is Vadini. I'm assistant professor in RPIIT Karnal. Today we are going to learn about B plus tree. Binary search tree, including B plus trees, are the extensions of B trees designed to make the insertion, deletion, and searching operations in a more efficient way. Properties of B plus trees are similar to the properties of B trees, except that B trees can store keys and records in all internal nodes and leaf nodes, while B plus trees store records in leaf nodes and keys in internal nodes. Since the size of the main memory is limited, B plus trees act as a data storage for records that couldn't be stored in the main memory. For this, the internal nodes are stored in the main memory and the leaf nodes are stored in the secondary memory. This is the basic double, doubly linked list structure in the how it works in the disk file. What are the features of B plus trees? Balanced. B plus trees are the self-balancing, which means that as the data is added or removed from the tree, it automatically adjusts itself to maintain a balanced structure. This ensures that the search time remains relatively constant, regardless the size of the tree. The next is multi-level. B plus trees are also multi-level data structure with a node root at the top and one or more levels of internal nodes below it. The leaf nodes at the bottom level contains the actual data. Next one is ordered. B plus tree maintain the order of the keys in the trees, which make it easy to perform range queries and other operations that require sorted data. Fan out. It has a high fan out, which means that each node have many child nodes. This reduces the height of the tree and increases the efficiency of searching and indexing operations. Cache friendly. B plus tree are designed to be cache friendly, which means that they can take advantage of the caching mechanisms in the modern architecture to improve the performance. Disk oriented. B plus trees are often used for disk-based storage systems because they are efficient at storing and retrieving the data from the disk. Why we use B plus trees? B plus trees are the best choice for storage system with sluggish data access because they minimize input-output operations while facilitating efficient disk access. B plus trees are the good choice for database systems and applications needing quick data retrieval because of their balanced structure, which guarantees predictable performance for a variety of activities and facilitates effective range-based queries. This is it in this video. Do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.